What's good? Ah, man. What's good, YouTube? It is your boy, Mr. Top Heavy, and in this video, I'm going to be getting ready for the last camping trip of the year. It is December 19th, and I am going to be camping in Malibu Creek Campground for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and the day after. In this video, we're also going to be going over all of the camping trips that we took this year. So it does look like it's going to be raining most of the time that we're going to be camping, primarily on Christmas Eve, the day that we arrive. So we will probably, most likely, be setting up in the rain. And since it's winter time, we are probably going to be setting up in the dark. We actually started off in January at Black Rock Canyon Campground in Joshua Tree and had probably one of the most windy camping experiences I've ever had. Right, and it's not supposed to be too cold in Malibu, just maybe a couple of light jackets, nothing too heavy. You don't need the parkas, but you know, you can layer up underneath this. Always got to be prepared for some cold. Our second trip this year in January, Cottonwood Campground in Joshua Tree, was particularly cold. And as I've mentioned, this trip is most definitely going to be wet. How wet, we don't know, but we got to make sure we bring our rain jackets. We got our rain jackets here. Looks like Wednesday, Christmas Eve, it's going to be the wettest, and that's when we're going to be setting up. So, adventure, right? Adventure. But this is something we know in Southern California. If you camp like we do, primarily in winter and spring when it's the off season, not as busy, you're most likely going to run into some form of rain, whether it be light misty, a drizzle, or a downpour. You just never know. Especially when we're going to Leo Carrillo, which was the third trip we took this year. It was in March. We've been there a couple of times, and it has rained in the past, so we definitely brought our jackets. Because of all of the rain, we're anticipating being inside quite a bit, not a whole lot of hiking. Also, there's not a whole lot of dog-friendly trails around the campground and in the general area, but that's all right because I'm sure we can walk around the campground and there's plenty of space. It's going to be muddy. We're not going to bring our sort of light hiking shoes. We're going to go a little bit heavier. Bring all of our boots. Julie's got the Danners. These are full on. We're going to get muddy. Get ready to go with those. And then I got the North Face, similar, waterproof. So we're gonna bring all of these out of anticipation of it being muddy and wet. Not like when we went to Serrano Campground near Big Bear in March. It was a little chilly, but great hiking weather. They have Cougar Crest Trail that is about a 3-minute drive from the campground. It's dog friendly, and we had an amazing time. Now, if you're on my channel a decent amount, you'll see I just recently did a video featuring what we keep in our camp box. I'll try to put a little link up at the top for you guys. But again, because it's going to be raining, we're kind of thinking we're going to have to do a lot of stuff inside, and we may not be able to do a whole lot on the fire. We're just not sure. So we are going to be doing a whole comparison of dehydrated chicken Alfredo pasta from a couple of different companies, because we found that that is the best Mountain House meal. So we're going to compare it. So yeah, we got to get a kitchen box out, go through this. We got to be able to make sure we have everything we need to make good meals if we're given the chance, like we did back in April at Dogwood Campground that is near Big Bear Lake. Oh man, we killed it with some awesome meals. And since it's going to be raining, we're going to make sure we bring this. It's the Wawona 6, has the vestibule and that rain fly. It's definitely the better of our two tents for rain and for warmer weather. If you are interested in this tent or curious, when we were in Leo Carrillo again in May, I went over this tent. You know, Christmas time won't be the same without a few Christmas movies. And because we are possibly going to be inside, we are planning on bringing the computer with a DVD player and a few Christmas movies. So in here we have all my DVDs and Blu-rays from the past 20 years. We're going to pull out some Christmas movies and bring those along. Similar to when we were at Ryan a few years ago for Halloween, and we brought the computer and some candy and some scary movies and sat around the fire watching those. Now, in May of this year, we went back to Ryan because we love it so much, and we had a whole lot of fun and didn't need the computer because we had boulder scrambling to keep us entertained for hours. All right, so we're here over at the bookcase. I'm definitely going to grab a comic book to bring with us. Just because, like I said, probably going to be stuck inside for a portion of the day, so it's good to have something like this. And whether it's rain like this trip, or perhaps just a really nice lazy day where you're in the hammock, or similar to when we were in McGill Campground this past September, you end up being inside of the tent because you're getting chased by yellow jackets. We had a really good 2025 as far as camping is concerned. I appreciate everybody commenting, checking out the videos. If there are any campgrounds you think I should explore in 2026, get down in the comments and let me know. I'm going to put links to all of the campground videos down in the description so you can access those. Thanks everybody, appreciate it. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday season and a happy new year. And I should hopefully have this Malibu campground video as my first video of 2026. So until then, Top Heavy out. All right, as you can see, we didn't make it to Malibu Creek Campground. There was just too many red flags telling us not to go. We just opted to stay home, stay dry, stay clean, and have a much better experience. I am still going to do that comparison of the dehydrated chicken fettuccine Alfredos from the different companies. So I plan on shooting that and getting that out here at the beginning of the year. So sorry, no video for Malibu Creek Campground, but